Welcome back to Glad Makeover TV. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. I greet you all according to your time. This video I'm going to show you how I get this my beautiful makeup. Yes, in other video I will be showing you people how I get this my hair tie. So just relax your back and let's have little discussion about this video. We are going to be discussing about this video really. Okay, now please guys, to start with, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. This video is about full face makeup without if you really watch this video very well, there's no way you complain that you don't know how to apply makeup. No, just relax your back. Definitely you will learn how to apply makeup when you relax yourself very well. Yeah, and put your mind. Some people do say no, not because no, just if you want to really learn, don't wait for anybody to come and pressure you to know it. You can do it yourself. Very, very important. You can apply it without calling anybody, without spending money every weekend, without spending money every now and then just to apply your makeup or do your hair tie. Please, we ladies need to know this. Yeah, if you have the time, though, if you don't have the time, all you just need to do is just to use your money. So you see the way I draw it. Before this time, I've already shaved my eyebrow. I've already shaved. Yes. So now I just draw my eye, the down one, the second one. See, normally my other video I did not, about 2 or 3 videos now, I did not talk about this arc, which is really, really important. If you are the type that don't I make this my eyebrow wide one because some people said no, they need wide one. When they are trying to get wide one, by the time they are using their concealer, the thing go slimmer. So that is why I make this particular one to be wide, like so that you see that wideness does not really cause anything. If you want your eyebrow to be wide, okay. If you want it to be the type that does not wide, okay. They are all the same thing. It depends on the one you need. It depends on them. Each one take individual beauty. The beauty with the slim one is different, but the important one is the one that gets used to you. Yeah, it's the one that gets used to you. It's the one that you like. So this is how. So when you are drawing your eyebrow, always remember that that place that I always draw my arc, that is the place you draw your arc and get the beauty. In my next video, what I will be doing, I will not I will be applying my eyebrow from the a little bit from a middle. So that one will be another pattern of eyebrow. But this one, somebody is one of my top fans that DM me that she learned. She was really happy that she could now draw a eyebrow since she has subscribed to my YouTube channel, since she started watching my video. She was really happy, but now she said she always know a particular eyebrow and she want to change it. What will I do? Then I come up, she asked what will she do, then I come up with this particular video. That it depends. If you draw your eyebrow a little bit smaller, that is what you get. If you still add to it, this is what you will get. You understand? So I did the video in another channel where I don't know if YouTube is allowed to use the word, but nevertheless, it does not really matter where I do the video. But it's here YouTube that she DM me. You understand? So she DM me in my Instagram. Then I make the video here in the YouTube, which is very, very important. Anybody, please guys, if you know that you need the particular hair tie, particular eyebrow, anything you need in makeup, just DM me, drop your comment at the comment section, or DM me in my Instagram. You can still follow me on my Facebook page, which is Mama Mimi TV. Just go and click that place and follow me. You can write me on Messenger. So, or you drop your comment at the comment section. We will definitely make the video together. We'll definitely make the anything you want to do. When I have, maybe you drop the message, I don't have the chance. Don't worry, anytime I have the chance, I will definitely drop the video. I will make the video and drop it for everybody to watch it together. You understand? So that is it. So now this is how I get the eyebrow. If you don't, it's really easy to get wide one, to get smaller one. It's really easy. It's almost the same thing, just for you to apply a little bit of wisdom. That is just all. See it. If you still want it to long, if you still want it to be short, I don't know how you need it. It's just for you to have patience with yourself. As a beginner, you don't expect you to draw eyebrow at the minute, like 5 minutes. You will not get it right. Yes, you will not get it right, or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. But somebody that have been like me now, if I'm not making video, I can just draw my eyebrow under 5 minutes and concealer and all that. I can do it, yeah. But it's only when I'm making video, just to make sure everybody get it right and all. So just try to leave it like this. So this is it. Now I'm using I want to apply my eyeshadow. Yeah. Me, I always love, I don't know, I'm a lover of dull eyeshadow. I don't need, like some people, you see them using light purple, you see some people using orange, you see some people using me, I like, if I'm using orange, I use the dull one. If I'm using any color I'm using, I always use the dull one. I don't like the harsh color. I'm a lover of a dull eyeshadow. I don't know for other people. That is why if you go to my YouTube, you see the one I'm touching now. I'm just saying it. If you go to all my videos in YouTube, you always see it like I always use dull eyeshadow. But if you need a brighter one, shiny one, drop your comment at comment section as usual. Drop your comment. We will definitely use it. But for my own, if you did not drop it when I'm using, I will not use the harsh color. No, I don't use harsh color. I love this color that I always, if I have about 5 or 6 palettes in this eyeshadow, you see those particular color, those ones will finish, then I will not use it again, because those are the ones I like. Except if I go to outside work, that is when you will see me using other colors like gold and all that. You understand? So this thing I'm trying to spray, I spray it very well because I'm going to party. I don't want anything to take one single makeup out of my face. So I make sure I spray it very well. I don't want anything to touch my makeup, you know. I just want it to stiff on my face thing. With this particular spraying, you can stay for 5 or 6 hours or even 8 hours without nothing touching your makeup. This particular summer, like my weather here in Italy, the weather is hot. Even like today now, we have 37 grade. Imagine you have 37 grade and you are going to party. Imagine what you will get. Imagine what you will get without, maybe you just go to party without spraying any the things that will block your sweat, that will not make your sweat to come out. What you will get, you will not like it. You will just come home with 10 color, 5 color, 6 color of your face. That is what you will get. So That is it. I just try to touch my eyeshadow. I'm applying my eyeliner. I'm applying my eyeliner. I don't know from this video now. I will not be drawing my eyeliner like this. I don't want my eyeliner to be coming out again. I will just only put it in the top just to fix my eyelash, which is very, very important. I'll use it to fix my eyelash. So that's what I'll be doing. So this is it. Now the blood the spray that I sprayed before for the sweat is gone now. You see it is dry already. It's dry. So what I'm going to do now is just for me to fix my eyelash because I've applied my eyeliner. So for those of you that find it difficult to fix your eyelash, just watch this video very well. Watch this video very well. I told you people before, watch this video very well. This is how you fix your eyelash. There's nothing hey, I don't know how to fix it. It's very difficult. Nothing difficult about it when you relax yourself to learn it. So this is it. Now I just apply the, what is it called, the glue. I'm applying the glue now. Sorry, I did not raise it up. I'm applying the glue now. You see it. I'm applying the glue. Just blow it like 20 seconds. You blow it or you keep it. Then the next thing is to go. You are good 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 to go. Okay, see how I fix it. See how I fix my eyelash. Very, very important. Finish. Oh, nothing specific about it. Nothing, no big deal about it. Finish. This is it. Now I want to fix the other one. Okay, if you have a eyelash pin, just for you to make it strong a little bit. Finish. See it. This is it. This is it. This is it. So for those of you that really find it difficult to fix your eyelash, it's very easy. It's not difficult. This one now even take me time because I was on live video in another place. This video, if you see it very well, I was choosing in another live video. So some people will ask questions, I will remove it, add it, do everything. You understand? That is why it's like this. See it? I just take it, just drop it on top. Nothing too difficult for it. Just for you to drop it on top and you are good to go. Yeah. You are good to go. You are good to go. Yeah. So please guys, relax yourself and watch the video very well. Please guys, as I said before, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to your girl channel. Don't just be coming and be watching my video without subscribing. You watch the video, you like it, please thumbs up for your girl. I'm begging you people, please thumbs up for your girl, your friend, your sister. Share for other people to learn also. Don't know, you people find it difficult to share, to not take anything away from you. I will upload a video, you just watch, but you will not share. You watch, you will not share. It's not really nice though. It's not really nice, but nevertheless, we are still good to go. We are still good to go. We are still good to go. Okay, now I'm applying my foundation. I'm applying my foundation. See the way. That is, I have told you several times that if you have, maybe you order it and one is lighter than the other one, please don't throw it away. It's really useful. another darker one, another darker color that you mix together. At the end you get everything good, everything will be clear. You can mix 2 foundation together, you can mix 3 foundation together. If you use first foundation and you see that the foundation is too light, just add a little bit of darker foundation. That is just all. If you apply one and you see it's dark than your color, just apply another a little bit of lighter one to it, and you get it right. Don't throw away anything. You don't throw away anything. Just make sure it's for you, they are for you. Don't throw them away, you can manage it. Yeah, except you don't like it or just throw it away, okay? But if you like it, you don't throw it away. Now I'm applying my foundation. I'm still applying my foundation. You see, before I apply my foundation, I've already used that spray. I don't know, in my next video I will tell you people the name of that spray, so that if you want to buy it, you can buy it in anywhere. You can order it from anywhere, you can buy it from anywhere. So that is it. Now I've applied my foundation. I've applied my foundation, my eyeshadow. You see the way it looked before. It's really beautiful. Sorry guys, I did not show where I apply my lipstick. I did not show that place because I don't really need it in this video. So that is all. See the makeup, please guys, please, I'm begging you people, thumbs up. Always thumbs up for me when you watch my video. Please guys, always thumbs up for your girl, your baby girl. Bye bye. I love you all. You see it? This is how I turn up for a friend in a birthday party. This is how I turn up for a friend. This is how I turn up. You see my hair tie? Be expecting this hair tie in another video. Yeah, be expecting this hair tie. See my makeup really look good. Yeah, the eyebrow, the lipstick, the eyeshadow, the eyelash. This is how everything go. I contour my face, I do everything. So please guys,